We put a new timing cover, water pump, and oil pan on this 302 Ford that we're going to put in our 1966 Ford Mustang, but now we have to do the harmonic balancer. Quick word of advice, make sure you buy the proper weight harmonic balancer for the front that corresponds to the counterweight that you have on your flywheel or your flex plate in the back. Otherwise, you're going to have some terrible vibrations when the car is running. This one is the 26, I think the 28 gram weight. You want to make sure you have the right tool to do the harmonic balancer install. So this kit came with a bunch of different threaded rods and different ways to put it on. So I just test fitted it to make sure it's all on. And then I went ahead and took it out and got everything set up. Then I just wanted to test fit the harmonic balancer. On this engine, it's keyed. There's only one way for it to go on. So you just want to make sure the key lines up where you can put it on, and then it should be able to get use the harmonic balancer install tool to get it on perfectly. For me, I wanted a little added extra ease of use, so I had the time to do it. I hit the balancer with a torch real quick just to expand the metal a little bit, just to help it go on easier. All right, so then once this threaded rod is in, we're gonna put this plate over it, and then this goes right onto it. Now, I didn't tighten this down all the way because it's gonna get tighter itself as we go. We're gonna, I think this is, it's gonna need to be bigger than 15/16. So it might be a 1 inch. Now we're just gonna turn it, and it should press on. Now this doesn't get torqued down. This just gets the bolt, or gets the balancer on to the point where we can actually use the real bolt, and this will get torqued down to 150 foot-pounds. So you don't want to go too hard on this one. You want to get it so it's in there and it seats. And it looks like we might run out of juice on the socket. We might, do you have a deep socket? Deep socket is what you're gonna want. But you can see as it's going in there slowly. That's all you gotta do. We also have the transmission on this, so it also makes it harder to turn over. Having the spark plugs in also will make it harder to turn over as well. There it is there.
You need to put a wrench on that.
We might have to.
Like pipe wrench.
Pipe wrench on that, yep. Now it is starting to turn over now, so. All right, so that's on. Now, this is gonna get, this will get backed off. And then this come out, and then a smaller ratchet to get this guy out. Because I didn't put it in super hard, it should come out real easy. That's why you don't put it in, you don't tighten it down too tight. There
So
it is.
I'm keeping that tool.
Keep it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, we might need it for something else.
Yeah, what do you build on that?
Okay. Now, we take our bolt. I'm gonna use some thread locker. That's what I feel like using thread locker. So I'm just gonna throw some thread locker blue on this. Some people use red. Do whatever you want. Get a washer, feed it on. You said it was 135 foot-pounds? I was like a plumber. There it is. There, done. Got it. All right, so that wraps it up for the harmonic balancer. The engine, we think, again, is ready to go in, so we're gonna do that in the next episode, so make sure you guys follow along. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.